Hey there, welcome to the preview of my online course Introduction to Data Science and SQL Server Machine Learning. Let's take a look what will you learn in this course. In this course you will learn what is data science and what is its life cycle. Also, you will learn what are SQL Server Machine Learning services. Moreover, we are going to talk about the development tools for doing data science with SQL Server Machine Learning services. And finally, you're going to learn how to do data science using SQL Server Machine Learning services and the extensibility SQL Server offers when it comes to executing Python and R scripts from in-database. A few words about me. My name is Artemagis Artemiou. I'm a senior SQL Server and software architect. I have over 15 years of experience with SQL Server and .NET. I have been a Microsoft Data Platform MVP for 9 years. I'm a professional author, blogger, and speaker. I'm a certified SQL Server engineer and founder of SQL NetHub. Now about the course requirements, it is good to know basic SQL Server knowledge because we are going to write some scripts, we are going to work within a SQL Server environment. Now regarding Python and R knowledge, again, it's good to know, but not a strict requirement. We are going to write some very simple scripts, but again, as said earlier, it is not a strict requirement since again, if you do not know Python and R, still you will be able to go with the flow of the course and understand these simple scripts. Now about the structure of the course consists of lectures, examples in the form of live demonstrations, as well as quizzes and a practice test in the end of the course. Now, who is this course for? This course is for people who are interested in getting started with data science. Also, it is suitable for people who are interested in getting started with SQL Server Machine Learning services. And essentially, the course is suitable for people who want to combine data science along with SQL Server Machine Learning services, which is a very powerful combination. Now, after the course, you will know what data science is, along with its main life cycle. You will know the difference between data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. And also you will know how all these are interconnected. Also, you will know how you can start doing data science using SQL Server Machine Learning services. Within the course, we are going to install together SQL Server along with its machine learning services and see step by step how we can get started. At this point, note that the course is an introductory course. So there are no complex concepts here, no complex examples. This course is just for people who are just getting started with data science and want to start doing data science via SQL Server and its powerful machine learning services. So essentially, after attending this course, you will be able to learn even more about data science and SQL Server machine learning services because you will have the foundations based on which you will be able to deep dive further more into the world of data science. Thank you very much for taking the time to preview my course. I'm really looking forward to seeing you inside the course.